Hey, do you have an ingrown toenail? Are you looking for a painless treatment? The good news is that we offer Onyfix treatment for mild to moderate ingrown toenail. Onyfix is a painless, surgery-free ingrown toenail treatment. No cutting, no anesthesia. We use Onyfix bracing on your toenail and fixate it to your nail and bring your toenail abnormal shape back into its natural shape as it grows. Onyfix makes sure the shape is maintaining as the nail grows naturally into its corrected position. This can take a month, as toenail growth is a very slow process. When your toenail is finally grown properly, then we will remove the Onyfix composite material and allow your toenail to continue growing naturally. This is the perfect option for people who doesn't want to have a needle or injection or removing part of the nail out. We don't do any of that with Onyfix treatment. This is a painless treatment. There is no downtime. You can go back to your daily activities. Don't let ingrown toenail affect your life. Contact us to book your appointment and start your journey to pain-free feet. Thank you.